Welcome in all online learning. Today I want to discuss the assembly language program written in 8085 microprocessor. The program is write an assembly language program to add even numbers stored in consecutive memory location in 8085 microprocessor. The objective is we store the numbers consecutively at the address 2201 2202, 2203, 2204, 2205. The numbers are and values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These value can be stored at the different memory address also. But I'm store the value, this value at the address 2201 to 2205. Now we want to get the result at the address 2210. The main task of this problem is to add only even numbers and store the sum of even numbers at the memory location 2210. Now this is the program for this problem. The instructions are LDA 2200. This is the instruction. This meaning of this instruction is to take the content from the address 2200 into the accumulator. Now next instruction is move C comma A. The meaning of this instruction is move the content of accumulator in register C. Now MVI B comma 0. The meaning of this instruction is store the value 0 in the register B, or you can say move immediate value 0 in the register B. Next instruction is LXIH 2201. 2201 is the address or memory location, and LXIH this denote HL pair register. HL pair register H have 8 bit and L have 8 bit, so total becomes 16 bit. So for 16 bit numbers we use HL pair register. Now next instruction is move A comma M. M is the memory. We take the content from memory and store in the accumulator. ANI 01. ANI 01 means we and the 01, we and the immediate value 01 with the accumulator content and observe the result of after ANDing this 01 with accumulator content. After observation, we can make the decision to decide the instruction. Now next is instruction is J and Z skip. J and Z skip. Skip is the label name and J and Z is jump if not 0. If the result of the ANDing operation in the accumulator is 0 or not 0, if result is not 0, then we can skip the instruction move A comma B, add M, move B comma A. We can skip these instructions and execute the next level instruction, that is INXH. INXH means increment the memory pointer or memory address of HL pair. The current memory address of HL pair is 0 1. We increment by 1 and now it become 2 to 0 2. Now next instruction is DCRC. The meaning of this instruction is decrement the value of C by 1. Currently in the register C, the value is 5. When DCRC executed, the value may become 43210. Now again apply here J and Z back is the label, and J and Z jump if not 0. Now next instruction is move A comma B, means we can store the content of register B in the accumulator. Now next instruction is STA2210. We can the meaning of this instruction is to store the content of accumulator at the memory address 2210, and SLT is used for termination of the program. Okay, this is the these all things are the meaning of instructions. Now how this after execution, what will be the output? When we execute it, we take the input value 1 2 3 4 5 and add the memory address 2200. Value is 5. This is the counter, means we take 5 number of element and want to add the even number and store the result at the memory address 2210. Okay, how it works? We after executing first instruction, the accumulator value become 5, means we can store the accumulator 5 in the accumulator. Now after execution, next instruction move C comma A. In the register C, we store the value 5. 5 comes from the accumulator. Okay, if we execute next instruction MVI B comma 0, then in the register B, value of register B become 0, and register C is used for counter and register B is used for sum of even numbers. Now next instruction, after execution of next instruction, we point the memory location 2201. After pointing, we get the content from memory. After execution, move A comma M. The meaning of this instruction, at this time when we move the content of memory into the accumulator. The content of memory is 1 from 2 to 01, and we can store this value of 1 in the accumulator. Now when we execute ANI 01, this become 1 or 0, means 01 and with accumulator content. If 01 and with accumulator content 1 and ANI 01, this produce the result 1. So when result become 1, then execute next instruction JNZ skip jump if not 0. If this if result is 1, then we can skip these 3 instructions and execute INXH. Okay, when after execution INXH, we are at the memory address 2202. Now execute next instruction. Currently the value of counter is 5. Now after decrementing, this become 4. Now again execute next instruction J and Z back we come at the instruction move a comma m. The meaning of this instruction is we take the value from the address 2202 and store this value into the accumulator. At the memory address 2202, value is 2. Here you can see 2, and this 2 can be stored in the accumulator. Now again repeat this process until you get the result. See here what will be the what happened if we execute move a comma m, we take the value 2 from memory. Okay, now again execute ANI01. At this time the value becomes 0. Now at this time there's no need to skip the instruction. If there is no need to skip the instruction, then execute the instruction move a comma b. So currently the value of b is 0, so the value of b can be stored in the accumulator. Now again execute next instruction add m. Add m means a equal to a plus m, means current accumulator value plus memory value. So currently accumulator value is, what is the accumulator value? 0, and memory value is 2, which comes from memory address 2202. So 0 plus 2 become 2 here. So execute next instruction move b comma a. When we execute this instruction, then in the register b the value is 2. Now execute next instruction INXH. Now at this time we are at the memory address 2203. When we are memory address 2203, and then we observe that at the memory address 2203 value is 3. This is not even number, so at this time value become 1. So value become 1. So there's need to skip the instruction and go to the next memory address. See here how it works. We are here, we take the value from 2203 and execute ANI01. Now it become 1. Now execute JNZ, escape, and we are at the instruction INXH. Now at this time we are 2204. Take the value from 2204 and store the value in the accumulator. For this purpose, we execute again move a comma m. At this time value of a become 3, not 3, 4, 2204. We take the value from 2204. Now again execute ANI01. Repeat the process. This is even number, so there's no need to escape. So execute these 3 instructions and go to the next memory address. Execute it. Now at this time in the accumulator the value becomes 6. We can store the value 6 in the register B. Now check at the memory address 2205. We take the value from 2205. At the memory address 2205 value is 5. We can store the value 5 in the accumulator. Now execute ANI01. At this time value become 1. So skip the content and move at the memory address 2206. When we are memory address 2206, the value is 0 again. So the counter becomes 0. Now counter become 0, means we check all the 5 numbers. So now at this time we can execute the instruction move a comma b here. So the value of b is 6, so 6 can be moved in the accumulator and store the content of accumulator at the memory address 2210. See here. Now after all, execute HLT for termination of the program. This is overall explanation of adding even numbers from 5 consecutive numbers and storing the result at the memory address 2210. Thank you very much.